Welcome to Style Skating. Today we're going to work on knees and ankles bend. Our first exercise is simple 2-foot glide with demi-plie, like you can do in ballet. Pay attention to your knees, bending forward. Keep your back straight, head up and arms out to the side. Now same we're going to do with 1-foot glide. Keep your free leg on the side with your knee slightly in front and point your foot. We're going to do 1 foot forward glide and then other foot forward glide. Now we're going to go backward and going to do same exercise, gliding backward on the right foot and then on the left foot. Keep your hips under and push your knee forward to bend your ankle. Our next exercise is just 2-foot transition from 1 foot to another, like you're going to do lunge sideways on the floor. Keep your knees bent, bend your ankles, keep your back straight. So next exercise is forward crossovers on the small circles. You want to try to glide whole circle on 1 foot and then whole circle on other foot. If you have difficulty with balance, you should stop after each crossover and reset your balance. I'm going to do this both directions, keeping your knees and ankles bent and upper body twist into the circle. Keep your arms out to the side and chin up. Then we're going into bigger circle and we're going to do crossover with 2-foot glide between. So before you push, you're going to glide on 2 feet and then push with other leg. Push with 1 foot, 2-foot glide, push with other foot. Make sure that when you're doing 2-foot glide, both knees bend. Now we're moving to backward and we're going to do same exercises with backward crossovers. First we're going to be on a smaller circle and try to glide around small circle, whole circle on 1 foot and then whole circle on other foot. Arms extend to the side, your body twist into the circle. Full extension with push and leg. Back straight. And then after this exercise, we're going to start on a bigger circle again with pause between pushes. So you push, 2-foot glide, push, 2-foot glide. Keep your knees bent on 2-foot glide. Same, we're going to do other direction. Full extension after each push. Next exercise, we're going to do double plie on each crossover after each push with 1-foot transition. So you push, doing plie, push, doing plie. So bend, straight, bend, bend, straight, bend. And then switch, bend, straight, bend, straight, bend, and then switch. Same backward with 2-foot transition. Try to cover whole ice from the wall to the wall. And again, down, up, down, down, up, down. And at the end, we're going to do quick crossovers and try to twist and go quick 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.